Don't worry about it. I want to see if this motorbike pulled this car. We get a little close shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! 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 Are you serious? And the rope just snapped. Thank you very much. And the rope just snapped. Crazy. But he's gonna get it reattached. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, it worked though. It worked. It worked. Yeah, it's some hood shit. Okay. Take two. I hope y'all ain't going far, is you? No. You going to your pop player? Okay. Hope you got it neutral. And it popped again. Y'all need a chain.
Scooter, pull that motherfucker up.
I see it pulled. Whoa. It pulled though. It pulled.
Y'all gotta go on with some rope?
Yeah.
That is some gangster shit.
I guess that's the end of this.